What is robotics? Robotics explained. Robotics technology. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Business Whale Club. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into: robotics. Have you ever wondered what makes robots tick? How they work, and what incredible feats they're capable of achieving? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of robotics, breaking down the technology, and exploring real-life examples that showcase the wonders of this field. So, let's get started.
AI robots that aim robotic hand.
Designed by French company Exotec, the
Robot kitchen hand. Robot waiters.
I'm afraid of innovation and evolution and...
A robot on legs, on the other hand.
You know that robots.
It is a robot.
innovation in general is that when we innovate, we create new jobs.
Robots when you enter the Grand Mosque of Mecca.
Tech robot, it means
edge of research for robotics, both where
world of robotics up next. Watch the field of robots.
What is robotics? First things first, let's define what exactly robotics is. In simple terms, robotics is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. A robot is a mechanical or virtual artificial agent, usually guided by computer programming, capable of performing tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. These tasks can range from basic actions to complex operations that require precision and intelligence. How does robotics work? But how do robots actually work? Well, it all starts with a combination of sensors, actuators, and a central processing unit. Sensors allow robots to gather information from their surroundings, just like our senses. Actuators are the muscles of the robot, enabling it to move, grip, and interact with objects. And the central processing unit, often a powerful computer, acts as the brain of the robot, processing data from the sensors and making decisions based on its programming. Real-life examples of robotics? Now, let's take a look at some fascinating real-life examples of robotics technology. Manufacturing robotics. In the world of manufacturing, robots are revolutionizing industries. Imagine car factories with robots assembling vehicles with impeccable precision and speed. These robots work tirelessly, improving efficiency and reducing human error. Medical robotics. In the medical field, robots assist surgeons in performing delicate surgeries with incredible precision. They can also be used for tasks like medication delivery and patient care. This fusion of technology and medicine is transforming healthcare. Exploration robotics. Robots play a crucial role in space exploration and deep-sea research. Probes like the Mars rovers and underwater vehicles help us gather data from places humans can't easily reach, expanding our understanding of the universe. Service robotics. Ever heard of drones? These flying robots have various applications, from aerial photography to package delivery. Also, consider household robots that vacuum floors or even mow lawns, making our lives more convenient. Future possibilities? As we've seen, robotics is more than just science fiction. It's a rapidly advancing field that's changing the way we live and work. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, robots are becoming smarter, more adaptable, and capable of taking on even more complex tasks. Ethical considerations and challenges? Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to discuss some ethical considerations and challenges that come with robotics technology. Job displacement. While robotics offers numerous benefits, there's also concern about job displacement. As robots become more capable, some worry about the impact on employment in certain industries. However, history has shown that while automation can change job roles, it often leads to the creation of new opportunities as well. Ethical programming. Programming robots to make ethical decisions can be complex. For instance, self-driving cars must make split-second choices in potential accident scenarios. Deciding how these decisions are made raises important ethical questions that society needs to address. Privacy and security. As robots become more integrated into our lives, privacy and security concerns arise. Robots in homes could potentially capture sensitive data or be susceptible to hacking. Balancing convenience with privacy safeguards is crucial. Inspiring innovations? But it's not all challenges. There are some inspiring innovations in the world of robotics that give us hope for the future. Assistive robotics. Robots are being developed to assist people with disabilities or the elderly. These assistive robots can provide companionship, help with tasks, and enhance the quality of life for those in need. Collaborative robotics, cobots. Cobots are designed to work alongside humans, enhancing human capabilities rather than replacing them. They're used in industries like manufacturing to perform tasks that require precision, strength, or repetition. Robots for environmental conservation. Some robots are designed to address environmental challenges. For instance, there are robots that help clean up oceans by collecting plastic waste or monitoring pollution levels. Getting involved in robotics? If you're intrigued by robotics and want to get involved, there are several paths you can take. Education and learning. Consider taking courses in robotics, engineering, or programming. Building a strong foundation in these areas can open doors to a career in robotics development. Hands-on projects. Engage in hands-on projects. You can start with simple robotics kits and gradually work your way up to building more complex robots. Practical experience is invaluable. Join robotics communities. Connect with robotics enthusiasts and professionals through online forums, workshops, and meetups. Collaboration and networking can provide valuable insights and opportunities. It's important to note that while AR and VR offer many advantages for robot training, there are still challenges to overcome. Simulations might not perfectly replicate all aspects of the real world, and there's a need to ensure that skills learned in virtual environments transfer effectively to real-world scenarios. Nonetheless, the combination of AR, VR, and robotics holds great promise for accelerating the development of smarter and more capable robots. As we've seen, the convergence of AR, VR, and robotics is revolutionizing industries and reshaping our perceptions of reality. From immersive training environments for smarter robots to interactive virtual experiences, the possibilities are endless. Don't miss this video in end screen. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of robotics, its technology, and some incredible real-life examples. We've only scratched the surface, so if you're as fascinated by this as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you so much for joining us on this robotics journey today. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on technology, innovation, and exploration. And that's a wrap. Great job, team! I'm really excited about how this video turned out. Our viewers are going to love it. Remember, folks, if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Remember, as we venture into the exciting realms of technology, always stay curious and keep seeking knowledge. Take care of yourself, and I look forward to our rendezvous in the next video. This is your channel, and until then, farewell. Goodbye.